Selecting vision benefits is more than just making sure you can go to an eye doctor. It's about choosing coverage that helps you and your family see and enjoy all the fun life has to offer. Grab your ticket and let's go. Enter the EyeMed Virtual Benefits Fair with the link from your employer and explore virtually everything about your vision benefits options. We created an interactive, hands-on experience to help you view and select the vision benefits that are important to you. The virtual EyeMed team members can guide you through every step of the process. Here you can get answers to commonly asked questions, explore in-network provider options, and even see why eye health is important. You can also step right up to see a customized benefit summary with specific vision plan options. View an enrollment brochure that tells you about all the exciting features EyeMed has to offer. Watch a quick video about the importance of regular eye exams. Or try your hand at our eye disease simulator, a tool that shows you how certain eye conditions can affect your vision. You be the judge to find whatever you're looking for. Feel free to explore at your leisure with no lines, no crowds, and no set schedule, all with no pressure. Once you've experienced all your choices, you'll know what to select to help your family see all the fun. Bring home all the prizes you need to make that decision from the EyeMed Virtual Benefit Fair.